Hello Sus300, yay! Welcome to week 5. Week 5 is already here. Congratulations for making it this far. So this week, this should be old hat by now. It runs the same way as before. Your really easy points of just let me know how it's going, okay? I value your views and thoughts, so please just let me know how it's going, how you feeling. And then you've got your review quiz as well as your technical text quiz. Both of those, again, easy points. There's low stress. We just want to make sure that you're engaging with the material and that you're leaving the class with what we think that you really need to take from the class. I mean, those are the highlights. We need you to engage with the material, so this is just the little double check that you are in fact engaging. Now, your summative assessment this week, we're going to circle all the way back to the profile that you created, all right? So that's why we gave you feedback on the profile, and hopefully that helped. Now, you're going to be researching a sustainability effort in that person's area, okay? So soil, water, waste, some kind of sustainability effort, preferably in their local region as opposed to a national effort. So this is why it was important to choose a city, okay? Not a nation, a city. So you're going to be researching the sustainability effort in that region or city for your profile, and doing a deeper dive into that and linking that with your profile person and seeing how that person would engage. What are their motivations? There's that whole Maslow's hierarchy in there that you're going to be incorporating, okay? And then finally, the last one, you're going to be looking at how do you get that person to engage even more? What some of their motivations, how you can help that person engage even more in these sustainability efforts, okay? So those first and last parts are going to be sort of the heavier parts, because the rest is kind of a reviewish thing. So it says 500, 700 odd words. Verge towards the 700 because you really need that will give it the weight that you really need it to have, okay? Because it'll give you the detail that you need. You must have those references in there. All right? There was a small error in that. You must have references, okay? So make sure you've got those in there, all right? Let me know if you have any questions. In-text citations are important to practice. Your bullet pointing and subsectioning, as before, you've got several bullet points that you must address. We just went over a couple of them here. Those must each be reflected in a subsection of your report. You do not need to copy. Again, you do not need to copy the exact verbiage. You can alter that. Just make sure that it makes sense. I'm totally fine with you being creative on that aspect, but there must be an equivalent number of subsections to the equivalent number of bullet points in your instruction set, okay? So this is good practice for you. It creates a bite-size project for you, okay? So let me know if you have any questions. Keep up the good work. This should be a lot of fun because, again, it'll wrap up the whole course nicely, okay? Plus, it'll give you practice on how to engage with stakeholders, because in your job, you will be engaging with people, and these people all have different motivations, and they all have interests. These are your stakeholders. This is why this is important in the past few weeks, okay? So keep up the good work, everybody. Again, let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.